please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to pick up anything I use in this video. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I wanted to show you how to get your lawnmower running. If you've tried everything else and you can't get it running and you have a problem with it, it won't stay running, it won't start, it has a problem cutting out, or it has a hard start, or you got to pull it a couple times, anything that you could possibly have go wrong, this will fix it. So first of all, I wanted to show you really quickly. I already replaced a brand new spark plug, did a new air filter, I already changed the oil, I drained the old oil, put new in, and then I drained all the gas and put new gas in, and I also put a new fuel line made out of Tygon as opposed to the old black fuel lines, which rot and have problems with the gas, with the ethanol gas. I rebuilt the carb, I put all new gaskets and seals inside, so everything is good with the carburetor. There's not a problem with that. Basically, if you put a new spark plug, if you put a new air filter, if you do an oil change, if you change the gas, and you rebuild the carburetor and you're still having problems, the only thing left is the magneto. So here's your magneto, this is what it looks like, and it generates spark, which goes to this. It generates electricity, which clips onto the end of the spark plug. And that's it. It's pretty simple. It's just that you just got to take this apart. And it's going to be a lot easier just to use a screw gun to take these out. We loosen these two bolts, one here and one here. Take this off right here, which is the ground. Save the old boot from the old magneto. Reconnect the ground. Then we're going to feed the wire through for the spark plug. Then we're just going to position this in the proper position. Might have to remove the air vane just to make it a little bit easier. Just pull this over to the side, just leave that there. So now what you need is a very simple business card. You don't want it to be too thick. I'm going to put this between the rotor and the magneto. What I'm using right now is Loctite 243. So it's just a good idea to do something like this. It's not something you have to do. I just like doing it. To me, it's a good practice. I want to just tighten it down almost all the way. I'm going to push this up against the business card, nice and tight, and then I'm going to tighten it down. I can move the business card up and down, but the magneto is stationary. So now at this point, we're just going to tighten it down all the way, and there it is, nice and tight. We could also reinstall our air vane, which is right here. Okay, so I had to grind this down a little bit more, just really make it thin here so it doesn't hit the air vane, doesn't hit the magneto when it closes. Take the spring, connect it right here. Make sure you put it back inside here on the carburetor and screw it down. Just gonna put the gas tank back on. Gas plastic cover. Just clean off the old spark plug boot and just replace that. I just cleaned that off with a little bit of soap and water, and I put some Q-tips inside to clean out all the dirt. So now we have this all replaced. Briggs & Stratton actually makes a platinum spark plug, which replaces the RJ19LM, which is what I have right now. So I figured, why not? It's only a couple bucks more. I'm gonna go with the gold and the platinum. It shouldn't foul up or have any kind of problems. It should last a couple of years, as opposed to having to do it every year. So as you can see, they are the same gap. And again, this is gold and platinum, as opposed to the copper core. So I'm going to just gently put this in. Reinstall the new spark plug boot, and we are good to go. So this isn't one of those things that you have to do, but again, I would recommend this. Installing a new fuel filter in line in between the gas tank and the carburetor. And basically what you do is you just cut the line right here and just install this in between. And I'm going to show you just how easy it runs. I always use the highest octane I can get on the small mowers. I'm going to put my hand on the exhaust, let you know that it hasn't been running. Obviously I wouldn't be able to do this if it was running. So I'm gonna get this started for you, show you how easy it starts. See, it is running perfect, and it is a one-pole start every single time. Any lawnmower you have, no matter what company it is going to run like new. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, definitely make sure to use the links in the description if you wanted to help support this channel and pick up anything that I use in this video. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.